I really... Stop!
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a case where a simple trip to the grocery store turns into an absolute masterclass in how not to handle a police encounter. It starts with a few buzzballs and a suspicious green bag, but it quickly spirals into a high-stakes game of identity fraud and physical resistance. We have a suspect who can't seem to remember her own name or how basic math works, and officers who are reaching the end of their patience. Is this a case of pre-game jitters, or is there something much darker hiding in that red blanket? Strap in, because this routine shoplifting stop is about to hit a breaking point you won't want to miss. Let's break down the tape.
Hey, what's up, man? So right now we only have concealment on one, but she's dropping stuff pretty quick.
Okay.
So I don't know if they have a lookout outside, but is this female? And there's another one, but we didn't get someone on her.
Okay, just her?
Just this one.
What'd she conceal?
So she had the blue buzz balls with her,
Okay.
and she went to one of our aisles, and she only came out with that one. But she's getting ready to go right here.
She still have it on her person or just in the cart?
It's in this green bag right here.
Oh, okay.
So that bag was not that. I don't know. That's the other female.
That's the other female?
We didn't get her, but for her, we got that concealment.
Okay. And she still has the buzz balls in the...
They should be. I didn't see her drop those blue ones, like I said, so they still should be in that bag.
Okay.
She's about to conceal it. Keep an eye on the grain. I'll keep on the red.
They could have somebody outside watching.
Huh?
That's two of them. They could have somebody outside watching.
I feel like they have someone outside, because once like here a little bit, they just started dropping stuff. You got vision on gray? She went to grab and go. She's dropping. That bag was empty though. Empty when she got here.
Those look pretty full.
She's gonna do it. I feel like she's easy to catch with concession do right there. She's the one that's a little more quick with it. Her, I think you can catch right there. I didn't see concealment on her. Pretty sure she did, but I didn't see concealment. This is where she got concealment, and she was along that wall. It's like
Oh, okay.
What was the pasta item? She had also buzz balls. They split them. And then that one up to liquor. They went in the basket when we got visual then.
Because remember when they met up, that's
Like that? Okay, I see. Yeah, she look right there. Restroom.
They always go to the restroom.
Especially after they do it, that's when they go to the restroom.
We're still just concerned with the one in red, right?
I'm concerned about that one, but she did have liquor and there was no liquor in that basket when we got visual then. That's her?
No, there's one in the bathroom with like a red blanket around her. She's all like, "No, I swear I was gonna pay for this stuff."
I magically put it in my purse.
Tell me I got one.
You think she possibly had some in her purse too?
I'm pretty like 90% sure there's stuff in there.
Buzz balls with it?
Yeah.
This two? Both, yeah. Put together.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want them trespassed?
Yeah.
That's better.
What side are they on? Are they on our side?
She's on register side, so she's on grocery side.
Do you know if she came in on this side?
yeah.
Yeah.
She's probably just drinking all the buzz balls in there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's coming up this side.
Are we stopping her?
She's passed all of it.
Yeah, they want them trespassed.
Yeah.
She's not going to break.
Yeah, she's right there. Yeah.
It comes red too.
The red too? Yeah.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand these questions?
Yes.
Step forward. So you mentioned that you have all those items that you didn't pay for, right?
Yeah.
Besides this, okay. What about you now? Do you have anything in your person that you didn't pay for?
We were just holding
How do you spell your first name?
M-E-L-I.
So,
So your first name? Melissa?
No, Vanessa.
What is it?
Vanessa.
Spell your first name.
My first name? V-A-N-E-S-S-A.
Are you lying to us?
No,
So when I asked you,
spelled Melissa.
I know, my bad.
No, that's weird.
I'm sorry.
we'll try that one.
I told you to be straight up, honest. Okay. If you start beating around the bush and doing this false stuff, that's not going to be good for you. Just give us your straight up name and date of birth, and we could probably be out of here.
Or I can take you to Border Patrol, make a fingerprint, figure that out, or I can arrest you, take you to the jail, and then when they figure you,
My name's Melissa Sanchez.
Melissa Sanchez. Okay, how do you spell that?
M-E-L-I-S-S-A. I'm sorry. I'm just getting nervous. Like,
Should be even get nervous about.
I just want to get arrested. You know,
Let's say you were just gonna get the shoplifting, but now I'm considering the
No,
concealment.
I'm sorry. I'm just getting nervous. Like,
It's better just to be honest. You already got caught, right?
yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I'm only told the truth. Sorry for lying in the first place.
Well, regardless, you should have some kind of information coming back, whether you've been in trouble or not. But you have been in trouble. You said you had warrants that you already took care of, so they should be coming back.
Like traffic laws.
Yeah, well, that means you've been in trouble. That's the only reason.
Well, I mean, it's like
You can check out El Paso courts and see if she comes up with anything.
Yes.
And she's had warrants there before.
But it's still, that's your right date of birth that you gave us?
Yes.
96?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
11:32 Central. Can you try her out of Arizona?
Oh, the
I'm
person.
sorry. Oh my God, 26.
You're 26?
Yeah,
That doesn't equal 26.
that's 24.
And
See what I mean?
it also doesn't equal 24.
Oh my God.
You're just
How old are you?
straight up
I'm
lying
sorry.
to us.
Okay, then you weren't born in 96, man. So figure it out.
No,
Stand up.
Yeah,
let me
up.
show you.
Stand
Let me
up.
show you my.
Stand up.
Set up.
Oh, you guys, please can I show you my thing?
No, until you be honest with us, we'll.
Okay.
Oh, now you're.
I'm gonna
turn
come
up.
out.
Turn up.
Oh
Come over it.
please.
Hold on. Stop,
I
because I
can
gotta
show you
type.
my ID.
Hold on.
Now you have
Now
an
you have
ID.
an idea?
I can probably show if I go into my Google Photos on
Here,
your phone.
hold on. Hold on. Stop, because I gotta double lock them.
Guys, please.
So how old are you?
Hold on. Stop moving.
We're gonna find you regardless, or you can go to jail. We'll put you under Jane Doe, and then the courts will figure out where you are, and you stay in jail until that happens. I don't care.
Alright, what's her name?
It is
24.
Melissa.
24?
Not 20, 24, 26.
Well, she wasn't born
Oh, I
in
said-
96, so it's 26. It's the
When were
year
you born?
20 and 25.
I don't know.
24.
I
You're
just,
born in 24. That doesn't
Yes.
make sense.
I just,
Are you high?
Yes.
You're high as shit. You were born in 24?
Mhm.
Last year?
No.
Okay.
Oh, like the year? 96. I thought you said how old was I? I'm
No, I
sorry.
know
It's
what
like,
you
Hey, listen
I
to me.
was figuring out I've been in jail.
What year is it?
It's fucking 96.
It is not 1996. What year is it right now?
24.
Okay, it's not 2024 either. But if you were
It's
born in
2025.
96, how old would that make you? Basic math here.
if I can get my phone and get her ID, can I,
Please.
can I, will I be able to come back and show you?
Let's just take her
I'm
around
24.
for now.
You're not 24. So you're not born in 96 if you're 24.
Yes.
Doesn't add up. Math doesn't add
It would
up.
be 29
It'd be 29.
28.
You're skipping 4 years in your life.
I'm 23.
That's still in your-
Yeah, I was
I'm
gonna say.
26.
So when
I was
were you
born 98. Guys,
We-
please.
Come on, let's go.
Please.
Let's go.
Can I show her my? Can I show you my ID through her phone? Please.
Huh?
Can I show you my ID through her phone?
Well, now you have an idea?
Sir, please.
Look, we've been trying to give you chance upon chance, and then
Okay,
now
I'm
we're at it.
sorry. Please. Sir, please look at me. Like,
Come on,
please.
we're gonna go over here.
Please.
Stop.
Sir,
Let's go over here.
please
Let's
look
go
at me.
over
Can
here.
we just talk?
No, we're
I'll
gonna
just
go
show
over
you
here.
my
Come on.
Instagram. Please.
I really.
Please.
Stop. Stop. Resisting. Stop.
Stop, please.
Stop.
Please.
Stop.
Resisting.
Please.
Just stop.
Melissa.
Guys, please.
Melissa.
Melissa,
Let
stop.
me just talk to you. Please.
Stop.
Stop.
Give me that.
Please. I'll show you my ID, I swear. Please, let me
Call
just
for-
get
Do you know
it.
how worse you're just making this?
Please, let me. I'll show you.
Stop.
Do you know how worse you're making this?
Guys, please.
Stop.
Now you're gonna get another
jail.
charge for
I don't
resisting.
want to go to jail.
Now you are
please.
gonna, no, you are gonna go to
You're
jail.
going to
Why?
So we'll just figure it out.
We'll see if she chills out.
Please, guys, please. I don't want to go to jail. Please.
My leg behind hers.
I'm not gonna get up. I'm not gonna do nothing. Please.
All right, we're gonna sit you up. You better chill out, or we're gonna put you in a wrap, and that's super uncomfortable. You're going to jail regardless, so stop.
Oh my God, please. Can I show you my ID through her phone? Please?
Are we gonna sit up like an adult? Are we gonna behave like an adult?
Yes.
Stand up, stand
Hold on, you hurt me.
Hey, stand up. We're gonna get an ambulance, check you out. Yeah.
I'm bleeding.
What
What can
else?
I do?
We're past that.
Why?
You want her to search her?
Why?
Yeah, I was about to ask. Can she pat her down?
You guys,
She's
please.
gonna search you.
Please.
Don't make this worse for yourself. Come on, Melissa, whatever your name is.
It's Melissa. Guys, can I show you my ID?
Listen to what she has to tell you.
Do you have anything that can
I don't have nothing on me. You guys, please.
do me a favor? Just stay right there.
Stop. Stay right there. You're making things a whole lot more difficult than they need to be.
Can I show you my ID?
No, we're past that.
Why?
Because
Please, guys, please. You guys, oh.
have a seat. Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Melissa, have a seat.
Dude, please.
If your name's Melissa, have a seat.
I'll show you.
Too late.
I'll show you.
You can still show us like you're going to jail. Put your feet in.
I'll show you.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Please put your
I
feet
don't
up.
have to go to jail.
Why? Because you didn't tell us your name. One, you're shoplifting. Two, you're concealing your identity,
I'm
and now
sorry.
you're resisting arrest.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to resist. Like, he just brought me down. I didn't mean to. I really wanted to just
If you
get to
stop pulling
you.
away, then that wouldn't happen. Put your feet in. We're having people come check you out, and then we'll go from there.
You guys, please.
Put your
Have
feet
a
in,
seat all the way in, please.
Please.
Melissa, or
Why?
Jane Doe. I'm
Or
not sure.
shoplifting,
Put
please.
your name.
You made this. You
I'm
made this happen.
sorry.
Stop.
Please.
Look,
Have
listen.
a seat.
I'm begging you.
Here, let's behave like an adult, right? You're somehow in your
I'm
20s.
begging you.
You're somehow you're in your 20s though, right? Let's act like an adult. Have a seat.
I'm 26.
I don't care.
98.
1998.
I said that. I'm 26.
Okay, so have a seat, Melissa.
Sorry about that.
Melissa, come here. Have a seat.
I don't want to get arrested.
You're going to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you pulled on the cuffs.
Look,
Trying to run.
I didn't do that.
All right.
have a seat. You're trying to run from the officer.
I'm not
Let's
trying
go.
to run, please.
We're gonna put you in a
I'm
wrap.
sorry. I'm gonna
Melissa,
show you
let's
my
go.
ID.
Melissa, let's behave like
Is
an
there any
adult
chance
now.
of me getting
Yes.
let go?
Have a seat.
Why?
Have a seat,
I'm not
please.
lying anymore, though. Please,
Have a seat, please.
guys, please.
Have a
I'm
seat.
begging you, please.
Yeah, just
Please, please, guys,
move your
please.
knees.
Put your feet
Please.
in. You're gonna catch our charges. Put your feet in. I'm done. Melissa, put your feet in.
Come on. I'm not lying.
What a chaotic conclusion to what should have been a very minor legal issue. Let's break down exactly where Melissa or Vanessa or Brenda went wrong from a legal perspective. In most jurisdictions, shoplifting items of relatively low value, like the alcohol and buzzballs mentioned here, is typically a misdemeanor. If she had been honest from the start, she likely would have been trespassed from the store and issued a citation. However, the moment she began lying about her name and date of birth, she entered the realm of false representation to a peace officer or criminal impersonation. But the real turning point was the physical resistance. Legally speaking, resisting arrest doesn't just mean a full-blown fistfight. It includes pulling away from handcuffs or refusing to enter a patrol vehicle, both of which we saw here. By escalating a $20 theft into a physical struggle, she likely added several misdemeanor and potentially felony charges to her record, including resisting arrest with violence or obstruction of justice. And did you catch that math? Claiming to be born in 1996, but saying you're 23 in the year 2024? That is a bold strategy when you're being recorded on a body cam. The officers mentioned a RAP, which is a total body restraint system used to prevent suspects from kicking or hurting themselves, and the fact that it came to that shows just how much she refused to act like an adult. The psychological breakdown here is fascinating. The suspect clearly believed she could talk or bargain her way out of the cuffs by showing an ID on a phone after lying for 10 minutes. In the eyes of the law, once that trust is broken and the cuffs are on, the roadside negotiation is over. This case serves as a stark reminder. The cover-up is almost always worse than the crime. What could have been a bad afternoon turned into a multi-charge arrest that will follow her for years. It raises the question for all of you watching. Why do you think people resort to such obvious lies when the evidence is literally in their hands? Do you think the officers were too patient, or did they handle her resistance with the right amount of force? Let's hear your take on Melissa's fuzzy math in the comments below. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns. Your support helps us keep bringing you the most intense legal deep dives on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.